Home Remedies presents 2 ingredients recipe to transform your hands. Are your hands feeling rough and dry? Don't worry, we have got a simple solution for you. With just a few ingredients from your kitchen, you can bring back the softness and smoothness to your hands. Let's dive in and learn how to create this effective remedy. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. From which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why Vaseline and Tomato? Vaseline. This classic skincare product has been trusted for years because of its moisturizing and protective properties. It creates a shield on your skin, locking in moisture and helping to heal and prevent dryness and cracks. Tomato. Tomatoes are a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and E, which are vital for your skin's health. They also contain antioxidants that reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a youthful complexion. The natural acids in tomatoes even help exfoliate and brighten your skin. How to make and use the remedy. Ingredients: 1 ripe tomato, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Instructions: prepare the tomato. Wash the tomato thoroughly and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice and pulp from 1/2 into a small bowl or use a blender for a smoother consistency. Mix with Vaseline. Add the tablespoon of Vaseline to the tomato juice and pulp. Mix well until you have a smooth, even consistency. Application: clean your hands with mild soap and warm water, then pat them dry. Apply the tomato and Vaseline mixture generously to your hands, ensuring to cover all areas, including the fingers and cuticles. Massage the mixture into your skin using gentle circular motions. This helps stimulate circulation and ensures the ingredients are well absorbed. Leave it on. For best results, leave the mixture on your hands for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can even wear cotton gloves and leave it on overnight for an extra intensive treatment. Rinse and moisturize. Rinse your hands with lukewarm water and gently pat them dry. Follow up with your regular hand cream or lotion to seal in the moisture. Benefits and tips. Regular use. To maintain soft, wrinkle-free hands, use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Patch test. Before applying any new remedy, perform a patch test to ensure you don't have any allergic reaction to the ingredients. Additional care. Protect your hands from harsh detergents and extreme weather conditions by wearing gloves. Regularly moisturizing your hands also helps maintain their softness and smoothness. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.